Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be taking you guys how to determine what directional bias. So let's move on to the chart. Here on directional bias, what is directional bias? Directional bias simply means the overall direction you expect the market to move. So it can either be what bullish where you look for buys, or what bearish where you look for what sells. Sure. So here are the 5 steps on how to determine what directional bias. So the first one is check the daily time frame to know the overall trend. Alright, to know determine whether it's bullish or it's bearish. The second one is mark the key reversal zones. So it can either be order block or what breaker block. So if if you don't know how to determine these order blocks and breaker blocks, that's point of interest. Just kindly go over to my page to uh, check out the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So the top one is wait for what price to reach those zones, and the fourth one on the lower time frame look for confirmation for reversal, and then the lastly identify the trend pattern and trade in the direction of the daily trend. So now let's look at gold right now. Let's use gold as an example. So over here, gold, right? So let's use this area here. Let's use this zone here now. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's use this area here. This area. So first of all, we need to determine what's the rule number one. The rule number one says what determine the what. Number one, check the daily time frame to know the overall trend. And here on the daily, we want to determine that gold is what bullish. Alright, can you see that? So gold here is bullish. So we have done that. So rule number two says what? Mark key reversal zones. Can be order blocks or breaker blocks. So, and right here, you want to see that price came into this breaker block here. So from here, we should look for points of reversals to buy, right? So we are done with the second one. So what the third one saying here? It said wait for price to reach those zones, and price has already done that. Then the fourth one is on the lower time frame, look for what confirmation of reversal. So let's do for what confirmation to push up. So you can see right here, price came into this level here to take out this low here, which is the MSS, which is the reversal. So you can spot out this MSS right here, and we saw this inducement. See that? And now we're expecting the price should pull into this breaker and it bought. Can you see that? Can you see? And it bought. So the same thing here. Price came here, broke this structure, this zone right here. This was the inducement over here. And price came into this level right here on the lower time frame, and it's bought. Now it's very simple. I can see here now, maybe price came here, price took out this low right here, forming a market structure shift. So this was an MSS right here. Now note we are still bullish, right? Now there is a zone here, both on the 4 hours time frame. I'm not using the trading view page version, so that's why I can't really go time frame to spot this out. But let's stick to this daily because it's too clear, right? So now this was an area of supply, the area of reversal right here. So we're expecting that price should come into this level right here to sell, right? And so right now, if I want to see price came here, formed its reversal, this was the inducement, and price tapped into this OB and it bought this level here. Can you see it? Price did the same thing again, came here, broke the structure right here, alright, and also from here, broke here. So this is known as a double breakout structure, and this was the inducement. This was the inducement right here, and price came into this breaker here, and there we bought. So guys, that will be all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Uh, and also go to the chat to backtest this. Yeah, that'll be all. Thank you.